this is named Godzilla, and it's just arrived, and this King Kong is so small, and I have the bigger one. So everything arrived, and my daddy's cutting cutting this dog toy. Told you this dog is coming from you. Now, Tetanus dog is from in the movie, and I love the color, and it's black. Guess what happened to King Kong? He got hurt from Shimo, and he got a beach glove, and I love the beach glove of the color, and I love it. It can move his arm. I love the perfect size of this one. It's too perfect. And I love the beach glove of the winners, and this is Carl King. So I love this Carl King, and this is a lot, and we have a whiplash, and Shimo with frostbite, and Godzilla with heat ray, and Dada brought this for me, and Dada brought this for me too, and my mommy brought this for me, and my mommy brought this for me, and my mommy brought this for me, and everything is brought to me. So I love the perfect size, and so I love it. Hi guys, I have my friend Bryce, and over here. Hi guys, and this is named Godzilla, and this is named Scar King, and this is my name is Godzilla, and this is named not mine. And this is named Godzilla, and this is name is King Kong, and this is name is Shimo, and this is name is Suko, and this is Crocodile. Which one? Another Star King. Another Star King right there. And this is name is Star King, and it have a sword, and I buy it from the truck. And my mommy bought this, and it was in the table, and I didn't open the box yet because we're having a video. And I have Godzilla and have a power to hit someone. It's hitting Shimo. I love this, and this size it can light. And these from the box, and I make it, and I paint it, and these guys can fight over there. And I got the small ones, this one, yes, and I got this too, and I got my Shimo. And I found a rock from Suko. I love the rock.